Hey guys, welcome back. Hope you're all doing well. If you are new, please hit the subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss out on a single video that I upload. So before I get started in today's video, and why I have a huge mess on my desk, I want to quickly shout out the coldest water bottle. These water bottles, you guys, are the coldest water bottles on the planet. They are better than Hydro Flask. They're better than Yeti. There are reviews out there showing that they are. So if you guys are interested in getting one of these really awesome water bottles, go check out my link below. You can also enter in the daily coldest water giveaway. But they have so many different sizes to choose from, so many colors, and they don't just have water bottles. They have all kinds of other things, all kinds of really cool stuff. So go check them out. My link is in my description box. And don't forget to use my code to get 10% off. So what I'm doing in today's video, I saw yesterday on Max's live video, Enail Couture. He did a foil hack he did a nail foil hack that I thought was brilliant. Not sure where he got the idea, so I'm just going to shout him out. What I've done is I went ahead and I applied my XXL sculptured wear nails, and I used my clear DIY gel to apply those. And don't forget, ladies, he now has a 35 ml tube of the DIY. I got a bunch of like Halloween foils that I've had for a very long time. You're gonna need a silicone tool, and then you're gonna want to cut out the foils that you want to use. So here are all the foils that I have cut out, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna flip them over and put them on like a palette like I have here. That way they can be easily put into a lamp to cure. Max actually used his own foil glue, but I do not have his foil glue. So I'm going to be using my iMethod Beauty nail foil glue. Now I'm not going to put them on the nail. I'm not doing anything to my nails. I'm going to actually take each foil and I'm going to take the foil glue. Okay, it's kind of like you're making a foil sticker. Go right over the back of that foil with your foil glue. And then lay it down because you're going to be curing it. Now yes, it's going to take a little time to do this, but it's going to be worth it. We're going to be layering the foils on the nail. And when you do it this way, you don't have to worry about images that you don't want on the nail sticking to the nail. Once I have the foil glue on the back of all the foils that I want to use, I'm going to go ahead and bake that for 60 seconds in my light. Take your foil, place it where you want it, about right there. Take your silicone tool, this one is by Enail Couture, and I'm going to lay it down. Try to get all the air bubbles out. Just like you would if you were putting foil on the regular way. Okay? Same concept, but you're putting the foil glue on the actual foil, not the nail. And rip it right off. And then you can take your silicone tool and just go ahead and press it down a little bit more, just making sure that it's laying flat. And again, you're just going to place it where you want it. Let's put that one right there. Flatten him out. Make sure you scrub that foil in just like you normally would, because you don't, now remember, you don't have anything on the nail unless you polish the nails, which you can totally do that too. You do want to leave yourself a little bit of pulling room, like space on the foil, so that you can just pull that right off. Once it's pulled off, just flatten that down. Okay. Isn't this neat, you guys? See, his legs are going into the ghost. Hopefully it'll stay on there. Alright, again, take it and yank. And there we have the spider. And don't worry about any of the foil residue, because we're gonna be doing something after we apply the foils. On the bottom, right there. Lay that down. Grab and pull. Alright guys, I'm going to take one of the Galaxy Space Kitty 5D Cat Eye Gels. This is one of the new ones. It's in the collection with the Wizard of Oz. This is number 48. I'm just going to polish 2 of the nails with this color, just to kind of tie it in. I'm not going to do the cat eye just yet. I'm going to put another coat. So I'm going to go in and do the pinky real quick. Cure those both for about 30 seconds. And then we're going to do another coat. And we're going to go in with that one more time. Cat eye magnet as close as I can to the nail to get the cat eye effect, as you can see there. I'm going to do the same thing for this one. Just hold it for a second and voila. Alright, and I'm going to go ahead now and cure those for the full 60 seconds. And then we'll finish up the foil. Alright, we're going to use this one. This glitter here. It's orange, black, and white. First I'm going to take the Dom top coat, apply that to the nail. Kind of floating it over. Get it a little wet. Grab some of these glitters. I'm only applying a couple of the glitters, guys, just a little bit, just to give it a little sparkle. Okay, now I want you guys to flip the nail and hold that for about 30 seconds. Do that, go ahead and pop it into your light for 60 seconds. Now I'm going to take my Velvet Matte Top Coat by Enail Couture, and we're going to top coat these matte. And again, flip that over, let it self-level, and then cure for 60 seconds in your light. Next, I'm going to take the Dom Top Coat again, and we're going to go ahead and give the cat eye gels a top coat. And because I'm using the thick top coat, I'm going to also put some rhinestones on. Okay, these are also by Enail Couture. A little bit of rhinestone love. Sorry guys, freeze cure that in place. Now into the light for a full cure. These, last but not least, go ahead and grab some cotton candy cuticle oil. Rub that into your cuticles real good. Alright, after you got that all rubbed in, you are good to go. And there we have it. That's how you can layer with foils. So big shout out to Max. Thank you, Max, for showing us how to do that on your live video yesterday. Let me know what you guys think. Would you rock these? Would you guys wear these? Let me know in the comment section down below. Hope you guys did enjoy this. Let's get a close-up and look how cool that looks. Look how neat. Now you guys can take your time, that way the glitter is not sticking up. And remember, do not put too much foil glue on, because I did on a couple of them and they did not want to transfer, and they left a big bulk of gel right there. So, but it still looks 3D-ish, really cool. It's something fun that you can do. It does take a little more time because you do have to cut out each foil piece that you want to use, and then you're gonna put the foil glue on the back side of it, cure it for 60 seconds, and then you guys know the rest. So, but let me know what you think of this little DIY hack, trick or treat, whatever. Let me know what you guys think. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new. I'll see you on the next one. Hope you all stay blessed. Bye.